come to H&M for Black Friday, and for God's sake, check the line out. Can you see that? Like, we are so screwed. So as you can see, the Black Friday sales are on and lines इतनी लंबी थी. This is just the entry line. Yes, उसके बाद में इतनी लंबी लाइन थी ट्रायल रूम के लिए. And you know, like finally we got inside and थोड़ा शॉपिंग शुरू की हमने, क्योंकि फिजिकल शॉपिंग की एक्चुअली बात ही और होती है. ऑनलाइन इज़ लाइक डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ऑफलाइन शॉपिंग. तो यहाँ आपको देखने मिलता है व्हाट यू आर बाइंग. आई प्रीफर दैट. ऑल्सो अगर आप H&M मेंबर हैं तो आपको और भी ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट्स मिलते हैं, 20% ऑफ इन एडिशनल टू द Black Friday, which works out to a really really good deal. So I got some nice deals and finally we were done. वो लाइन करके घर चलते. Hello my beautiful babes, कैसे हैं आप? So I have got a huge H&M Black Friday haul for you guys, और इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, लेकिन सारी की सारी H&M Black Friday haul से नहीं है. But I'm going to start showing you everything in this bag and in another bag. और since बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, I will go along as we talk and give you tips as well. तो ये जो सेल है ब्लैक फ्राइडे की, अगर आप H&M के मेंबर हो, you get an additional 20% off, which makes the deal very very sweet. So the first thing I got is this little top. ये जो टॉप है ये एक शिमरी है, ये पार्टी कलेक्शन की लाइन है and it comes with a matching trouser. लेकिन वो पैंट की फिटिंग मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं लग रही थी from the crotch area, तो I left that and I've just come with this. So इसको आप you can pair it with anything, even with jeans and a jacket. Like it will look very very cool. It's it's nothing very special, to be honest with you. Just a very cute little thing, you know. So that was that. Okay, the next thing is a sweatshirt. अब इनका जो इस बार का जो कलेक्शन है, it is so soft. ये पूरा athleisure की तरफ झुका हुआ है and I'm loving that because like you know, look at this. It is so soft. I really wish technology had a way कि आप उसको feel कर पाते हैं. ये छोटा सा plain pink sweatshirt है and it is going to like be so comfortable. All right, the next thing I will show you is this dress. तो ये जो dress है, this I'm going to return because sizes की issue हो रही थी. As you can well imagine, like जब आप Black Friday में shopping करते हैं तो you definitely get deals, लेकिन sizes, that's another ball game because बहुत जो लोग हैं their sizes already sold out. So this is a really cute little dress जो unfortunately मुझे return करना पड़ेगा because it's like you know it's just not going to fit. It's like medium है and I think the bust is going to be too tight, so that is going back. And here is yet another dress, so pretty. ये आपको शायद इंस्टा बहुत जगह आपने देखा है being styled. This is really beautiful. Like my heart is crying. अगर ये मुझे return देना पड़ेगा, I'm going to try it and see if ये अच्छे से फिट आ जाता है in the boobs area, तो you will see the try on, otherwise not. But this is so pretty. इसके पीछे है this little you know this cutout over here. It is really cute. और ये जो है this party collection, can you see that? It is so pretty, very understated, elegant, you know, very. But they were all like around 2K. Most of them are around the 2,000 rupee mark. So that is that. All right. So another thing I got is this Veller set. तो ये जो जैकेट है, I'll just tell you one thing. If you go shopping in store, तो इन्होंने जो किया था, it was a very silly thing. They had the jackets in one place and the pants in another. मुझे already पता था कि these come in like a tracksuit kind of a thing, you know, like it's an entire suit. तो I was looking for the pants, लेकिन literally मुझे वो second visit पे मिली. So I really think they should, you know, keep them together. तो ये जो थी, this is for 1499, लेकिन I think मुझे कुछ 500 या 600 पड़ा है in the sale. तो उस चक्कर में I got a really good deal. So if you are a member of H&M, आपको 20% मिलता है, 20 and the Black Friday 20, so you get a very good deal as it is. So this is a black sweatshirt, very cool, very nice. और ये जो है पीछे, this is written with diamonds. It's not just you know anything like that. It's like written with diamonds. Very very classy. इसके साथ एक पैंट आती है. Let me. So here is the matching pant with that. और ये पैंट कितने की थी? So let me just check. The pant is for 1299. So the entire outfit आपको पड़ सकता है at a very very good price. This is the trouser. Again, it's Veller. Very loose, very comfortable. ये पूरे athleisure trends में है, which is fast becoming my very favorite trend. Okay, the another thing is just one jacket. अब ये जो है, ये jacket था, इसकी पैंट नहीं थी. But I'm not leaving any of these. I really am a fan of these jackets, if you can't tell, because like मैंने 4 या 5 ले लिए हैं. Again, see the fabric, super soft. Like what is this fabric? It's so comfortable यार. I can't. Like अगर आपको ये पहनोगे ना, अगर आप तभी आपको पता चलेगा. You can. Basics में मैंने एक छोटा सा ये लिया. It's just for $400, $399 I guess. So that is like why not? Yeah.
399. So this is just a very cute basic top जो मैंने to wear some inside another top, which I'll just show you in a second. Very nice basics. H&M basics are the best. I think this is the last jacket. So this is the same velvet kind of a jacket in blue. एक चीज बता दूं कि ये सारे jackets, all the jackets don't have the same kind of design. Like some of them have front pockets, some don't. तो इनकी fittings में subtle difference आएगा and that उससे बहुत फर्क पड़ जाता है. So I love this. It's so good. और ये सब सारे jackets जो हैं stretch हैं. So that's there. They are going to stretch. Fitting की तो कोई issue ही नहीं है. The black entire dress is small. Like like I'm an XL on my chest, लेकिन इसमें मैं small. Okay, this is a shirt. Love this shirt. ये sheer है और इसी के लिए मैंने अंदर का जो आपको दिखाया था the basic. I'm going to wear this with that. Beautiful shirt. Beautiful. You need to see this up close. So इसका design कुछ, let me just show you. Yeah. This is what it looks like. Exactly ये color है. I love this guy. It is for 1299. So this is great. इसके साथ I have got a pant to go with. So एक entire outfit बन जाता है. So this is the pant I'm going to wear with that shirt. इसका एक, where the hell is going ठप ठप. तो ये जो है, it's got this really long, नाड़ा. I don't know इसका क्या करें. But the pant is lovely. और ये pant की fitting बहुत अच्छी थी. Because whenever I wear a pant, I'm like very conscious of the crotch area. Like, yeah, you should be. So here is another jacket. I mean, like you'll be like, bitch, have you been only getting jackets? लेकिन ये jackets मिलते नहीं हैं. Because मैं इनको इतना ढूंढती हूँ online. When I go to stores, Nike, these are not easy to get. I know that much. So again, stretch. और इसका जो look है, this has got a grunge. Like you see, इसका ये फैब्रिक भी अलग है. दिस इज नॉट वेलर, एज यू कैन सी इट इज अनदर काइंड ऑफ फैब्रिक. और इसमें वो काफी ग्रंजी लुक आ रहा है, विच आई कंप्लीटली लव. Like so, if you can wear this with toned jeans, ripped jeans, and a ripped skirt, ripped mini skirt. इतने तरीके हैं इसको स्टाइल करने के. And then you can wear a black grungy kind of a t-shirt. I just adore this. For a different mood, like जब आपका अलग mood होता है. Sometimes you're in a mood for a grunge. Sometimes you're in a mood for like just something cute, girly. So you should have that in your wardrobe. I've done this haul at full speed, ताकि ज़्यादा time ना हो. Okay, so ये एक shoes का pair है. ये bag organic की है, बस ये shoes की नहीं है. इसका मुझे size change करना पड़ा था. Alright, so here is another accessory. I love H&M accessories. I don't care what anyone says, but ये मैंने देखा है, they last a lot. I'm wearing those silver earrings to the gym, sweating like a pig. I think it's been quite a while now. कुछ भी काला वाला पड़ा नहीं है. Let's see in future, पता नहीं. So this is a very beautiful chain. Like I really wanted this to go with those jackets. Like I'm completely gangster looking. Okay, the last thing. Oh my god, I can't believe I hauled this at full speed. So the last thing here is these shoes. ये है shoes, so good. They are flats basically, but very classy, as you can see. So as you can see, very very classy. ये थे for 2199, but I got a really good deal. Again मुझे लगता है कुछ 12 या 1300 में पड़े मुझे, but awesome shoes. इसके ऊपर suede है. This is a buckle detailing over here, and awesome. So this was my entire H&M haul, and I have to film a couple more hauls for you. So that was it from me for the H&M haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. मैं इनको जितना हो सके link कर दूँगी नीचे, and so you can check it out for yourself. And of course, I'll see you guys very soon. Stay beautiful. Bye.